All right, this morning I'm over at Premium. I was just doing a hydraulic pump on a slide out, and I noticed for some reason there's a Winnebago sunrise here. It's a little bit different. You don't normally see something like that here, but it's something you want to check out on your Winnebago. It's a good thing they caught it in time. All right, so this is a 2003 Sunrise Class A on a workhorse chassis, and I don't know if you guys can see what I can see, but right here that roof radius popped out, and that's not good. Now the good news is if they caught it in time, it doesn't need a new roof. It just needs to be secured back down again. I have a few videos of that. And so now, Winnebago roofs are laminate roofs, so it's just Phylon, Luan, which is 1/8" paneling, foam, Luan, and ceiling fabric. Winnebagos use self-leveling NewFlex sealant. But yeah, if you take a look at this radius right here, there's no sealant holding that radius edge down. Winnebago used a Manus white urethane, and that stuff turns into chalk over time, especially in the Arizona sun, and then nothing's gluing down the roof radius edge. So obviously that vent cover's at the end of its life. I haven't been asked to look at this, so I just wanted to see what was going on. So this came untucked because the glue that's supposed to be gluing it down is gone. I don't know if you can see how white my fingers are. That was the Manus urethane. That's what happens to it. And yeah, they definitely got this in time. Not even ripped. I don't know how they drove it here without it getting damaged. I mean, the awning got damaged for sure, and there's a hole in the sidewall that looks pretty fresh. I'm gonna guess those two things are related. If we come over to this side, I can see there is some delamination right there, but it ends right there, so you can see the water coming off the AC. It's just right there. So as long as this edge is glued down, we don't have to. This roof wouldn't be a problem. Still, it'd still be serviceable. So this is about 5 minutes from needing a new roof if it gets caught in time. If this gets left out in the wind, and the wind catches underneath right here and pulls up on it, it will rip it back, and then there's really no real good repair on it at that point. So the other common problem is the skylight cracking. I don't see, let's see. No, I don't see it cracking, so that's pretty impressive. This looks like the original skylight. A branch underneath that AC. Well, that was it, guys. It was just a quick little video reminding you to check your Winnebago roofs. This one looks like they're going to catch it in time, so that it doesn't need a new roof. But even if it's not untucked right there and there's no sealant in that, like this side has, wind can get underneath and still blow the radius out, and then obviously rip the roof back. It'll do that either driving down the road or just sitting, not being used. It just wind comes around right, because underneath there are wheat poles to let water out that might get behind right here, and it'll blow it out. I've seen it happen too many times, and this isn't Winnebago's fault. I mean, I don't know why they use that Manus Bond white urethane, but they'll be quick to remind everybody that in the owner's manual it says to inspect your roof, check the sealants. At any rate, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully this reminds somebody to go take a look at the roof again. Hey guys, I just remembered I forgot to tell you what to seal that roof back down with. Instead of using the Manus Bond white urethane, use ProFlex from GeoCel. It's clear, it's paintable, It's not the end-all be-all of all sealants out there. I know that, but I didn't engineer this roof. I can only go off of what Winnebago engineered. This sealant stays somewhat sticky and flexible, and that roof needs to stay flexible. So you don't want to use anything like epoxy. It's just going to cause problems. The Winnebago roofs that are painted will use a very similar product because this is paintable, and they'll use the white stuff on a white roof. Now, even doing this, you tuck it back in, inject it just like I've shown you in lots of my videos, but you still need to inspect this every year because even that GeoCel ProFlex will crack. And as long as we can touch it up, we'll be fine. But like I said, the GeoCel, even if it's cracked, it stays pretty sticky inside the track there. But GeoCel ProFlex.